Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about things in real life. And that's a lot of makeup and makeup panning these days, so if that's something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for today's video. Today I have an update for Panning Punk! Okay, sorry, got a little carried away. Okay, welcome! This is a PANtastic Ladies Collab group project. It was created by Allie over at Wonder in Alleyland, and it is all about punk music, and it has 4 to 6. You can choose 4 to 6 prompts. It is rolling style, roulette style, and Allie created like 21 prompts. And if you want, when you're done or at any time, you can add in your own prompts. And yeah, it's all about the love for punk music and creating prompts to go with punk songs. So let's get into what I've been working on, what I can roll out, and what's coming in. So first up is for Green Day Holiday. I misinterpreted it, but that's okay. I went with Halloween instead of like a vacation holiday. I went with Halloween, and I brought in the Fright Night lipstick. This guy here, I have the top on. It's so cute. There we go. And I brought this in for 20 uses. I am wearing it today. It is a dark red vampy lip, and I'm wearing it today. I have worn it now 19 times. I have one more use to go, but I'm going to consider the prompt finished, and I will get that one more use in, no doubt, because I really like this color of lipstick. It's my favorite color. So that is finally complete, and I'll put this back into my rotation. Alright, next up is for the Clash, Should I Stay or Should I Go? A possible declutter item. So last month I brought in the Burts Bees tinted lip oil, thinking this had been a culprit to making my lips peel and crack and get irritated. Right after this update I used it 7 times. My goal was only used at 5. I stopped keeping track after 7 because I was like, oh, I've met my goal, and why do I keep keeping track? I don't know. But I used it 7 times. It is nice, it is nourishing, there is very little color, so it's a good lip oil for hydrating. It did not irritate my lips, so I was wrong. But this is something I definitely want to get used up. The problem is it's a click, so you twist it and product comes up through the brush tip applicator there. But I can't see how much is in here. There's no window, it's completely transparent. I have no idea how much is left, so I'm going to try and use this up in the near future, just so it's not sitting around potentially getting bad. But that is completed, and that is also rolling out. And then next is for the Sex Pistols? There were 6, sure, why not? The Sex Pistols, God Save the Queen, a product with royal titles. For that I brought in my Hollow Queen nail topper. I have not used it. My goal was to use it 3 times, and I have not touched it. It is just not something, it looked cool when I bought it, but it is not something that has occurred to me to wear. It's a Halloween. It's black and orange and white, and I've been wearing a lot of greens and blues, so yeah. I'll get to it eventually. Next up, I had better luck with this prompt for Blink 182, What's My Age Again, an oldest product. I brought in this nail polish in the shade Uranus. It says Space Systems on it, and my goal is to use it 10 times. I did use it once. I have it on today as an accent nail there on my middle finger. And last update, we were down to that silver line, and if you can tell, we're just a little bit below that. This is getting very low, very, very low. I don't know how much more I can get out of it. It went on fine this time, so we're going to keep using it. I talked about last month I may franken it with another polish, and I'm still considering doing that, but haven't done it yet. because there's a lot of glitter still in this bottle, and I like to maybe get some use out of that. So that is staying in for 4 more uses. I've used it 6 times in this project. That's okay. I love it. It's great. It's old. And it still works. Moving on. The next is for Good Charlotte's I Don't Want to Be in Love. A multi-use product. And I brought in my Zum Mist in frankincense and myrrh. I use it as a body spray, room spray, linen spray. And mainly I use it as a body spray. And my goal was to use it 20 times. Last month I'd used it 8. Over the last month I've used it 12 more times and met my goal. We were up there and now we are down here. And you can see the little separation between the oils and the carrier liquid at the bottom. It is really lovely. It is frankincense and myrrh. The classic pair is dark, dreamy, woodsy, and overflowing with body. So this product is done. The prompt is finished and rolling out. And then finally, because apparently I only have 6 things in this project, which is fine, for Panic at the Disco, High Hopes, something you have high hopes to reach your goal on. And I brought in my Disco Queen lip gloss by Medusa's Makeup. This is in the shade Bad Girls. I do have it gently tapped over my lipstick today to give it a little bit of pinky purple sheen. And last month I had used it 3 times, and this month I have used it 5, so that brings me to 8. So I have 2 more uses. I'm going to keep this in for 2 uses because 2 uses is good. So yeah, that's 3 rollouts and 3 staying in. The 2 nail polishes and the lip gloss are staying in. And then lipstick, lip oil, and body spray are going out. So that means I need to roll in 3 new products. I do have songs picked for adding my own prompts, but I haven't figured out the prompts and put them in my list yet. So as of right now, I have 8 prompts left from Allie's original list. So let's go ahead and spin one and see what we get. And the first one is going to be The Misfits. And that is Halloween, a horror, scary movie, or Halloween inspired item. I can do that, no problem. Alright. And then next up we have Fallout Boy, which is She My Winona, a product you love forever. I'll have to look up to make sure I wrote that down. I write my prompts in abbreviated terms, so I'll have to double check the wording on the actual prompt to make sure I have it correct. But yeah, I have product you love forever. And then that leaves us with 6 more prompts, and let's spin and see what we get if I can hit the spin button. Simple Plan. That's on the next page. And that is perfect. Something that gives you a security or comfort. Okay, let me deliberate on these prompts, pull them, double check the meanings of the prompts, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back. And it was a little difficult, but not too terribly bad. So, for the first up, we have... Oh, la 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 la. We have for the Misfits, Halloween, a horror or scary movie themed or Halloween inspired product. I am bringing in my Corpse Bride palette because Halloween. I don't think it's a scary movie. I actually haven't ever seen the movie, but it's Halloweeny. And I am bringing in this shade here called Marry the Dead. It is a lovely light blue metallic. I have it there. And my goal is to use it 10 times. Not a problem. I love blues, can't you tell? Matches my hair. Anyway, so yeah, that is for the Misfits Halloween. Then for Fallout Boys, She's My Winona, a product that has your heart and soul forever. That was a little bit hard, but I'm going to go with the one that has my heart and soul right now. I don't know about forever, but for now. It is this little perfume. Actually, can't even see how much is in here, but there's enough. There's enough in here. This is Goth AF from perfume company Sacrabile, I think is how it's pronounced. And this little guy here, I'm going to bring in for 10 uses as well. And it's just a little vial that you like dab it on. Beautiful. I will try and find the scent description and place that on the screen for you. And then finally, for Simple Plan Perfect, a product that gives you a sense of security or comfort, and for me that is mascara. Surprisingly, it's the only thing I could really think of. So I'm bringing in this mascara from Peony in Cult Lashes. It is what I've been wearing recently. And my goal is to use this 20 times or until it dries up and I cannot use it anymore, if that comes first. So that is everything for this month. Next month I should have worked out my prompts I'm bringing in. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my content and want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I really, really appreciate it. And until my next video, take care of yourselves and bye.